Pizza chicken bake. Chicken topped with pizza sauce, mozzarella, pepperoni, then baked in the oven and cooked in under 30 minutes. The full recipe is on the blog. Let me show you how to make it. You're going to take chicken breast and butterfly them into thinner pieces. Then you're going to season the chicken breast with a mixture of oregano, salt, and pepper. In a small saucepan, you're going to cook pizza sauce on low heat for about 10 minutes. This will keep the sauce from becoming too watery when you bake it with the chicken. Add olive oil to a skillet and brown your chicken breasts on each side. Then lay your chicken breast in a 9 by 13 inch greased baking dish. Spread the pizza sauce evenly among all the chicken breast. Cover the chicken breast in mozzarella and then top with pepperoni. Bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Let it rest 5 minutes before serving. For full recipe and additional cooking tips, visit aforkstale.com.